Okay, having a look at this one where we have sine A is equal to 4 over 5, so that's one piece of information, and then we're told that A is between pi on 2 and pi. So we can do a quick sketch to start off. We've got our A must be over here, and we've got that we know that it is, so sine is opposite over hypotenuse. We've got 4 over 5, so we would have 4 and 5 there. Straight away we can see that we have a golden triangle, so we know that this must be a 3 here. Because we're in the negatives, we can make that a -3. So we know a little bit to start with, so we can actually quickly work out that first part, which is finding cos A, because cos A is adjacent over hypotenuse, which will be -3 on 5. So that's that bit done. We could also have, even if we didn't know that the 3 was negative, know that in that quadrant cos is negative, so we would have put a negative in front of it anyway. So kind of two ways to get to that. Then we have the next piece of information where we have cos B is equal to 5 on 3, or 5 on 13, sorry. Now I realised I probably should have finished this bit off because I've got sine A and cos A. My tan A I know is opposite over adjacent, so I can actually come over here and just go, well, my opposite is going to be 4 and my adjacent is the -3, so I can just pop that in and say that my tan is just going to be that -4 on 3. So that's that bit done. I also want to work out a cos of A plus B, so I do have to come back and work out something with this cos of B there. So I've got my 5 on 13 for my cos of B. So I kind of I need to know what that angle is. I know that it's between 3 pi on 2 and 2 pi, so it's down here. And I know that I've got the 5 across, I've got the 13 there. I'm probably just going to use my calculator to then work out an angle for that. So if I just put in, if I know that cos B is 5 on 13, I can use my calculator to find B, and I'm going to get -67.38. I can then do the same process for the A, and I've got that my cos A was -3 on 5, so I can work that one out and get 126.869 there. So then I would just have cos of those two added together. So when I add them, that's that was a positive. So that'll just give me 59.489, and then I can just pop that into my calculator and get that that is equal to 0.50769. In the next one, I'm going to go through one that is classed as complex unfamiliar because we're using a trig function to try and work out some things.